actually works is super cool. It's insane, bro.
How are you doing, guys? So in this video, I will be showing you guys how to get ChatGPT Plus completely for free. So what you have to do is go to the website ogsnags.com, and on this site, look for the ChatGPT Plus code, press get code, and as you can see, it says 69 people used it today. So I'm going to press show coupon code, and it's going to start generating. So once it generates the code, guys, I'm going to go ahead and press get full code. And then I am brought to the verification page. This is the last step. So to unlock the code, you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free. So like Underdog Fantasy says download and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. Or I could do Match to Win, Travel Town. So just make sure you do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused somewhere. But yeah, that's it, guys. ogsnags.com. So go to this website and make sure you do 2 of the apps. They're mostly pretty simple. Like this one says reach level 11, so I could open it, and I literally just got to play through it. So I'm honestly not expecting that you guys are going to find this very difficult, but it is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. If this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it because it is super awesome. So as you can see, we just play through the game. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of these apps. They will be different depending on what country you're in. And then you can get ChatGPT Plus for free. So let me just type in ChatGPT Plus cost. And as you can see, it's around $20 a month, which is insane, bro. And I don't even think they'll let you have unlimited usage every day, guys, which is wild. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But that's how to get ChatGPT Plus for free. Just go to ogsnags.com and there you are. And make sure you do the verification, guys, because if you download an app and don't follow the instructions on it, it won't work. If you download 1 app instead of 2, it won't work. So there's lots of rules. But that's how I get it for free, guys. So be sure to try us out because it's super cool. And all the apps here are pretty simple. But one thing is, make sure you go to settings and have that background app refresh turned on. Very important that you do this. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get it for free. Because this is super awesome, guys. And it totally works. So as you can see, guys, we got it for free. So crazy. You just got to do the verification and you're going to be good to go, guys. So I hope you found this useful. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So I'm expecting much the same result for you guys. So yeah, make sure you get that background refresh turned on, though. Very important that you do that. But other than that, you should be good to go, guys. So hope you found it useful. This is super cool though, and it fully works. So peace out, bro. But yeah, this is crazy. No jailbreaking involved. So OG Snags, that's the website, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but I'm always trying to help you guys with new guides, so if this video did work for you guys, leave it down below in the comments, because this is super cool, and it totally works. So there you go, guys, ogsnags.com, that's the website. So if you guys need the ChatGPT Plus code, that is where you will find it, guys, on ogsnags.com. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is fully updated and no computer needed. So I found it pretty useful, and I think you guys are going to find it useful. So definitely tell your friends about it. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out.